Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing and first look at the DJI Osmo Action 6 action camera. This is one of the very latest releases from DJI. I'm really excited to unbox this and show you what you get in the adventure combo. So you can buy this as a standalone camera with very minimal accessories. This is the adventure combo version, which comes with some extra goodies inside the box. Also to let you know that I purchased mine from Clifton Cameras. They are my preferred supplier for all of my videography and photography requirements. They packaged this really well, superb packaging, really quick service, and I can highly recommend them. If you want to get one for yourself, check out the links down in the video description. So on with the unboxing. Let's take a quick look around the box. We've got some details here about some of the included accessories, including a 1.5 meter extension rod. Because this is the adventure combo, we also get some additional batteries. So normally you just get one battery. This one you get 3 batteries in total, and also a multifunctional battery case as well. We take a look around the back. This gives you some of the main features of the Osmo Action 6. We've got an all new 1/1.1 inch sensor. It's a square sensor, so it will do open gate recording. Also variable aperture, f2 to f4. Cold resistant and 4-hour battery life, really good feature. Also Osmo audio direct microphone connection. So if you're using one of DJI's wireless microphones, you can actually connect it to the action camera wirelessly without using any additional dongles. We've also got 50 gigabytes of built-in storage, and this is waterproof down to 20 meters. Then we've got a little overview of the box contents, but I don't need to read that out because we're going to actually take a look inside. So we pulled the opening tab off. Here we go. Okay, so now this is open. I thought the whole front of the box was going to open, but we've got an accessories box and an Action 6 box here. So we will take this out, and we'll take the accessories box out like so. Just in the bottom there, you can see we also have the selfie stick. So that's really nice. Let's have a quick look at this first. So this is a 1.5 meter selfie stick. Very nice indeed. We've got the connection there obviously for the camera. It's got some little warnings here as well. Oh, that's on a sticker, so we can actually remove this sticker. Pop that in the box there. And this is obviously an extending stick. Extends to 1.5 meters. Threaded mount on the bottom there. Nice grip area. Really nice quality selfie stick. Let's just close this box up and we'll pop it up there. So let's do the accessories first. And remember, this is the adventure combo, so you're getting a lot more in here than you would with just the regular standalone camera. So we have got some instructions and stickers. Looks like we've also got some dust absorbers for the lens. That's cool. So nice little pack of information. And then in here we've got some mounts. So these are like the screw fittings for the mounts. And then here we have got one of the, I think this might be a quick release mount. Let's have a look. Yeah, so this is a quick release mount, so this can attach to the bottom of the camera, and then that in turn can connect to the selfie stick or another mount. And you should get 2 of those in here. Because this is the adventure combo, I think you get an extra one of those. So yeah, an identical mount there. And then we have also got this one here. So this is an adhesive mount. So it's a curved adhesive mount, maybe for going onto a helmet, for example. And then we've got these little rings as well here. Then we have got a USB-C to USB-C cable. And then last but not least, in the accessories box, we have got the charger, and I believe this will probably have a couple of batteries in it as well. This is a very useful addition to the pack. Oh, it's got all 3 batteries in. So 1950 milliamp hour batteries, 3 in total. And they all charge in this one pack, USB-C on the bottom. And I believe that you can use this as a power bank as well. Not sure on that, but I think you can use it to charge things from this USB-C port, but don't quote me on that. But very useful because it means you can keep 3 batteries charged up. So let's move on to the actual camera itself. There we go. Very solid feeling camera, as it should be, because it is an action camera. And there we go. This is the DJI Osmo Action 6. Very, very cool. It's got a nice large touchscreen. We've got the connections there on the bottom for the quick release mount. On the side here, we've got a little door that opens. Oh, there we go. So it opens like so. But that's basically your battery compartment and where you're going to put your memory card. And then on this side here, we have got the power button and the QS button as well. And then this one opens to reveal your USB-C charging port. Very, very cool. And on the top, the main button, probably microphone. And then on the front, of course, we've got another screen on the front. And then this is just a lens protector to protect the lens on the front. A little sticker. You're obviously going to remove that. So very, very cool indeed. Nice compact action camera. Feels very, very solid. I'm pleased that I picked up the adventure combo because this is really good. Two additional batteries plus the charger. It's worth it just for that, I think. Really cool action camera. Should produce really awesome 4K footage. In fact, I think it will record in an even higher resolution now. I think with the latest firmware update, it might even record in 8K now. So very, very cool action camera, fully featured, and should produce some really good video footage. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. As I mentioned before, if you want to pick up one for yourself, check out the links in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, please do hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos, including seeing this in action. I'll see you all in the next one.